Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another new chapter today, that is chapter number 27, Multi-Purpose River Valley Projects. In this chapter, we will write the names of the various river valley projects with the help of the help desk. So let's begin with it. The first one is, it was built on the river Satluj. This dam is 518 meter long, 226 meter high, and it is the highest dam in Asia. And it is used for irrigation, hydroelectricity generation, as well as soil conservation. And this project was known as Bhakra Nangal project. Then the second one is, the Damodar river flows through West Bengal and Jharkhand, and it is called the river of sorrow. The project on this river is issued for flood control, irrigation, generation of hydrothermal power, as well as navigation. And this project is known as Damodar Valley project. Then the third is, this project is on the river Mahanadi in Odisha, and it's 4,800 meters long, and it is used for irrigation, production of hydropower and navigation for over 480 kilometers. And the name of the project is Hirakud project. The fourth project given over here is built on the Tungabhadra, and it is 241 meter long and 49.5 meter high. It's a joint venture between the Andhra Pradesh and the Karnataka, and it is used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. Next is since it is based on the river Tungabhadra, hence the name of the project was also kept as Tungabhadra project. The next is, this project is on the river Rihand at Pipri in Uttar Pradesh, and it is 91.44 meter high, and it is used for hydroelectricity production. And this project was again known as, for the name with the river, that is the Rihand project. So this is all about the various irrigational projects, you can say, which are running in the country itself. Let's now do the your answer please question for you children. It is that, which is the largest dam in the India, and you have to name the dam, largest dam, and write the name of the dam itself here in the book. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.